Dear students, welcome you all to LMS Digital Learning Classes, session number 37. In this session, we will discuss a problem on Memorandum Joint Venture account. Under Memorandum Joint Venture account method, each co-venture will record only those transactions which are relating to joint venture account which are directly concerned with him. The main two accounts which are prepared under this method are Memorandum Joint Venture account and Joint Venture account with other co-venture. This is a problem on Memorandum Joint Venture account method. Abhi bought some fancy goods for rupees 24,000 which he consigned to Raki for sale and agreed to share the profit and losses equally. Abhi spent rupees 1,500 for freight and insurance on the goods. He drew a bill on Raki for 10,000 which was discounted for rupees 9,800. On receipt of the goods, Raki paid rupees 250 for carriage and storage. He sold the whole of the goods for rupees 36,000. His disbursement in connection therewith being rupees 150. Immediately on realizing the sale proceeds, he rendered an account of sale to Abhi, closing the bank draft for the amount due to him. Show the memorandum joint venture account and joint venture account with Raki in the books of Abhi and joint venture accounts of Abhi in the books of Raki. This is the memorandum joint venture account. So you can see a memorandum joint venture account. In the debit side you can see the expenditures of both the co-ventures are recorded in their respective names. First one, the transactions related to Abhi. The expenditures incurred by Abhi are recorded to Abhi account. So this is cost of goods 24,000. To Abhi account, freight and insurance 1,400 rupees. Then to Abhi account, discount on bill 200 rupees. Next we have the transactions which are related to Raki. To Raki account, carriage and storage expenses rupees 250. Then to Raki account, sales expenses rupees 150. On the credit side we have the entry for sales proceeds by Raki. By Raki account 36,000. Upon closing this memorandum joint venture account, so we have credit balance of rupees 10,000 which is divided among Abhi and Raki equally. Next we will see how the transactions are recorded in the books of Abhi. See, in the books of Abhi, joint venture account with Raki. In this account, we record only the transactions which are related to Abhi. You can see the debit side, to bank account 24,000, that is cost of goods purchased. Then to bank account, freight and insurance charges 1,400. To discount on bill rupees 200. To profit and loss account 5,000. So this is the profit on memorandum joint venture account. On the credit side you can see by bills receivable 10,000 and you can see the balance 20,000, that is by balance carried down. So this is the balancing figure. Similarly, in the books of Abhi, the journal entries are as follows. Joint venture account with Raki account data to bank account. So this is the journal entry for goods purchased for joint venture 24,000. Then joint venture account with Raki account data to bank account. So this is the journal entry for expenses incurred by Abhi. Then joint venture account with Raki account data to discount on bill account 200 rupees. So this is the entry for bill discounted. The next entry is joint venture account with Raki data to profit and loss account. So this is the entry for transfer of memorandum joint venture account profit to Abhi account. Then next entry is bills receivable account data to joint venture account with Raki. So this is the entry for bills received. Next we will see how these transactions are recorded in the books of Raki. Here also we are considering only the transactions which are related to Raki. So you can see the debit side, to bank account the expenses of Raki to the extent of rupees 250. Then we have to bank account sales expenses 150, to bills payable account 10,000, to profit and loss account 5,000. So this is the profit of memorandum joint venture account. Then on the credit side we have by bank account 36,000. So this is the entry for sales. Upon closing of this account, 36,000 is the total and the balance is 20,600. This balance is carried down. So there are journal entries in the books of Raki. Joint venture account with Abhi account data to bank account. So this is the entry for expenses incurred by Raki, 250 rupees. The next entry is joint venture account with Abhi account data to bank account. So this is the entry for sales expenses paid rupees 150. The next entry is for bills issued. Joint venture account with Abhi account data to bills payable account 10,000. The next entry is for the sales proceed anta karitivi. Bank account data to joint venture account with Abhi account 36,000. The last entry is for transfer of profit on memorandum joint venture account. Joint venture account with Abhi account data to profit and loss account. I hope you are clear with the memorandum joint venture accounting and you have understood the problems on memorandum joint venture account. Thank you so much.